Hello, Mzansi and Niger. Nelisa blocked Yemi cregx on WhatsApp and she posted this as proof on her Instagram stories. She also posted this caption, "Do you, but I will not support it. Goodbye. I tried it once to my detriment." So for those who do not know what is going on, so last week Yemi cregx and Khosi started following each other on Instagram. Blue Ava immediately unfollowed Yemi cregx. So I believe, this is just a speculation. I believe that's when Nelisa was just like, you know what, bye-bye, dog, I am out. But who is Nelisa, to enforce her opinions on Yemi cregx? So this past weekend, Blue Ava flew to Nigeria. So, the likes of Groovy, the likes of Kanaga, and I forgot this other two Big Brother Niger housemates were also performing at a concert. So Yemi was there and Blue Ava was there. So someone took a video and we saw Yemi cregx and Blue Ava sitting or clubbing or like partying next to each other, sitting next to each other. So how is Yemi associated to Nelisa to such a point that she believes that Yemi's moves or actions somewhat affect her? Like, I don't know what's wrong with Nelisa. She does a lot of horrible things, but did you see Yemi calling her out in public, being like, "You're busy kissing Temba, you're busy cursing out Khosi, therefore I'm not gonna associate myself with you." So that's just Nelisa Mzansi, like this girl needs help. Honestly, she needs help. She's just so entitled to people's lives. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comment section. Bye bye.